Have you ever wondered if your TV could do more than just play shows? What if I told you it can double as a giant computer monitor, no fancy gadgets needed? With just your smartphone or laptop, you can unlock this hidden feature and make your digital life bigger and easier to see. Imagine sharing family photos, working on documents, or following an online class, all on the big screen. It's simpler than you think, and we'll show you how. Whether for work, fun, or family, your TV can become a powerful digital hub. Ready to see your television in a whole new light? Let's dive in and make your TV work smarter for you. Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. The very first thing you'll want to do is check if your TV is a smart TV. This is the foundation for easy wireless streaming. If you can open apps like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or YouTube directly on your TV, congratulations, you already have a smart TV and you're set for the next steps. Most smart TVs these days come with built-in screen mirroring features. You might see them called Miracast, Smart View, or AirPlay, depending on your TV's brand and model. Chances are your phone or laptop supports screen mirroring too, making it easy to share videos, photos, or even presentations right from your device to the big screen. Before you start, make sure both your TV and your device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a smooth, wireless connection. On your TV, open the settings menu and look for options like screen mirroring or wireless display. These are usually found under network or connection settings. On your phone, head to the settings as well. Look under Connected Devices, Display, or even Cast to find the screen mirroring feature. If you spot these options on both your TV and your device, you're ready to experience the magic of wireless streaming in just a few taps. But if your TV is a bit older and you don't see these features, don't worry. There's a simple, affordable solution for older TVs coming up next. Once you've confirmed your devices can connect, you're just one step away from enjoying your favorite content on a much bigger screen, making movie nights and presentations more immersive than ever. Imagine turning your phone into a portable entertainment hub. Let's connect your phone to your TV and unlock a whole new way to enjoy your favorite content. On Android devices, simply swipe down to open Quick Settings, then tap Smart View or Screencast. These features are built right in, making it super convenient to start sharing your screen in seconds. Next, select your TV from the list of available devices. Approve the connection if prompted, and just like that, your phone's screen will appear on your TV. No extra cables or complicated setup required. For the best experience, turn your phone sideways to landscape mode. This gives you a full screen view on your TV, which is perfect for watching movies, showing off photos, or even browsing the web with friends and family. Plus, your phone doubles as a remote control, letting you pause, play, or switch content without ever leaving the couch. It's a seamless way to control your big screen experience. If you're using an iPhone, just swipe down to open the control center, tap screen mirroring, and select your TV from the list. It's just as easy and works with most smart TVs. Sometimes you'll be asked to enter a code that appears on your TV. Just type it in on your phone, and your iPhone screen will be mirrored instantly and securely. Now you can easily share vacation photos, follow along with recipes, or stream your favorite videos for everyone to see. No more crowding around a tiny screen or passing your phone back and forth. The whole process is quick, simple, and makes everything you do on your phone look even more impressive on a bigger display. So go ahead, enjoy your pocket-sized device on a big screen, and make every moment more immersive, social, and fun. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Want your laptop on the big screen? It's easier than you might think, and it can completely transform how you work or relax at home. On Windows, just press Windows + K, select your TV from the list, and connect. In seconds, your laptop's display appears on your TV, giving you a much larger workspace for multitasking, video calls, or streaming content. Approve the connection on your TV, and your laptop screen is instantly mirrored. It's perfect for sharing presentations, watching movies, or collaborating with others in your living room. Need even more space? Right-click your desktop, go to Display Settings, and choose Extend these displays. Now, your TV acts as a second monitor, letting you drag windows between screens and organize your workflow just the way you like it. Mac users, you're covered too. Click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar, select your TV, and you're connected wirelessly in moments. It's seamless and requires no extra cables. In Displays, you can choose to mirror your desktop for a bigger view, or extend it for extra workspace, ideal for creative projects or managing multiple apps at once. For the ultimate setup, add a wireless mouse and keyboard. This lets you control your computer from across the room, turning your living room into a true home office or entertainment hub. Now you can work, browse the web, or manage files comfortably from your sofa, enjoying the freedom to move around and stay productive or entertained. This flexible, powerful setup boosts your productivity at home, making it easy to switch between work and play without missing a beat. With just a few simple steps, your living room becomes your new supersized workspace, ready for anything your day brings. No smart TV? No problem, just use an HDMI cable. Plug one end into your laptop, the other into your TV's HDMI port. Use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input. Your laptop's screen appears instantly, with stable picture and sound. You can mirror or extend your display, just like with wireless. HDMI works with most TVs and laptops from the last 15 years. It's reliable, simple, and perfect for work or movies. Now everyone can turn their TV into a powerful monitor. Give it a try and share this tip. Let's get more from our tech. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials.